Sir Isaac Newton was an English scientist and mathematician. He was born in 1642 and he died in 1727. One day while he was sitting under a tree in his mother's garden, an apple fell and it hit him in the head. And he discovered gravity. Isaac, dinner's ready!
Mom, chill out! I'm reading! Gravity. Newton's first law of motion includes the law of inertia, which exactly stated as by Sir Isaac Newton is a force of matter is a power of resisting, by which every body, as much as in it lies, endeavors to preserve in its present state, whether it be of rest or moving informally forward in a straight line. In other words, an object at rest would like to stay at rest.
Hey gang, part of Newton's first law of motion is that an object at rest will stay at rest unless a force is acted on it. This is called the law of inertia. As you can see here, we have a cup that's at rest, and the tablecloth is going to have a force applied on it, and the cup is going to stay just like Newton's law says. Let's see if inertia still applies even with 3 cups. Inertia's cool. Now we're going to see if Newton's first law applies even with a lot of mass.
An object in motion will stay in motion, and an object at rest will stay at rest unless acted upon by a force. This bike and I represent a constant motion. Any force can interrupt the velocity that we are constantly moving at.
Newton's second law states that the relationship between an object's mass, its acceleration, and the applied force is force equals mass times acceleration. Acceleration and force are vectors in this law. The direction of the force vector is the same as the direction of the acceleration vector. Newton's second law of motion. Force equals mass times acceleration. A smaller mass and a smaller acceleration make a smaller force. Since force equals mass times acceleration, a larger mass and a faster acceleration will make a bigger force. Newton's third law of motion is that for every action there's an equal and opposite reaction. I'm going to make an action with the stick. The trash can is going to have an equal and opposite reaction. Newton's third law of motion is that for every action there's an equal and opposite reaction. Mutaher is going to make an action with the ball. The reaction is going to happen with the trash cans.
God damn it, Nasib! What's wrong with you? Chill out! Hamar, you missed. Hamar, you missed me again. Hamar, you're be of rest or of moving uniformly forward in a straight line. You saw me? I was gonna say it! Stay at rest. Object in motion will stay in motion. Get up!
Go, 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 go! Oh, no. The trash can is gonna have an
Stupid.
Go, go.
Huh?
Crash.